Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Toyota Corolla car key battery. First, gather your essential tools. You will need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR 2016 coin cell battery. Make sure your workspace is clean and well lit, providing clear visibility for this quick task. This entire process is straightforward and typically takes only about 5 minutes to complete, getting your key fob working perfectly again in no time. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small notch or slot, usually located on the side or bottom edge of the fob casing. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting or prying motion, separate the two halves of the key fob. Be careful not to apply too much force, as the plastic can be delicate. The halves should pop apart with minimal effort. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. Before removing it, take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. This is usually the positive side. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry out the old CR 2016 battery from its compartment. Now, insert the new CR 2016 battery, ensuring the positive side, often marked with a plus sign, faces upwards, just like the old one. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, ensuring they fit together perfectly. Gently press them firmly until you hear a distinct click, which confirms the fob is securely closed. Once reassembled, take your key fob to your car and test its functionality. Try locking and unlocking the doors to ensure the new battery is working correctly and your key fob is fully operational once more.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.